Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a simple instant dosa recipe that's so soft and super easy to make. It can be a great option for a breakfast or even for kids' lunchbox. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious ragi dosa. We need 4 basic ingredients. So in a mixer grinder, take about cup and a half of cooked rice, a cup of ragi flour, half a cup of yogurt or dahi, 1/8 cup of rice flour, half a cup of water and salt to taste. We are going to grind this to a fine paste. So it looks like this. Let's look at the texture. It's pretty thick but really well done. Let's transfer it to a bowl, and as you can see it's pretty thick, so we're going to thin it out with water. So add about half a cup to 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and give everything a really good mix. We want that dosa batter consistency, so it should be this thin. Look at that. We can start making the dosas now. So let's season our dosa pan with some oil and water. It's hot and good to go. Just drop a spoonful and make circular motion like this as you would to make a dosa. Look at that, it immediately starts to have bubbles. Cover it for about 5 to 10 seconds until the top layer is cooked like this. Just drop some butter or ghee and spread it well. Let's release it from all sides, and I'm just going to cook it on another side for another 2 to 3 seconds. Let's flip it again and we can take it out in a plate. Look at that. So well done and so light. Make as many dosas as you need to. Look how easily it breaks. Very soft and delicious. Enjoy it with a side of dahi or any peanut or coconut chutney. It tastes simply delicious. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.